promise you got your eyes. Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Skyasha. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my nail desk and my area and stuff like that. It's just like really needed. It's time for me to like throw stuff away and, you know, organize stuff and put it in its place. Also, today I went to the store and I had bought some stuff, and I finally had opened one of my packages, well, 2 of my packages, and one of my packages was all that nail stuff right there. So I've got a lot of like new charms and stuff, so I thought this would be perfect for the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by cleaning like the inside of my nail table out, that way I can start like organizing it. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the table. A lot of stuff. I'm gonna start off by putting stuff on the floor and just organizing things like that. Okay guys, so this is how the inside of the table looks. I just have like a whole bunch of acrylics that have fallen and stuff, and all of this came from the drawer, y'all. This is the only thing I about organized. Most of this stuff is honestly probably gonna go into the trash. Like looks cleaner and purr. So we're gonna start off with my soak off things. Okay, and these also belong in here. I like these ones better because they're stackable, and I feel like they save room on like those. And if I'm being honest, I'm probably gonna actually put these up at my closet storage, because these are also good for people that don't even have certain nails with like acrylic on it, and it just like makes you save money. And these are taking up space anyway, and these are also just like way easier to clean. See, so now this is the only thing here, which is my nail bibs, and then on the other side I have 2 of my UV lamps. However, not that I'm technically saving up, but next time I go back to the nail store, I'm gonna buy me a nail lamp from there. I feel like if I buy a nail lamp from there, it would be way better than buying one from Amazon. So yeah, like I know I'm gonna have to put like some money and stuff into it. So yeah. Also, I was also thinking about getting LED lights and wrapping them around my nail desk, but it's honestly not really necessary considering that I always have my ring light on as well. So there's that. Anyways, we're gonna get back to organizing this. The next thing I'm about to start doing is putting my charms and glitter and stuff in here, and I don't know when, but I need to clean all my nail plates. I should have at least 4 or 3 of them, and I was planning on ordering one that was shaped like a star and a heart. And yeah, so let's get into it.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue.
Okay guys, I feel like I literally have so much space after organizing that. Anyways, I'm taking my bag of the nail supplies that I bought today, and I'm also taking I got some new tweezers, y'all, too, and they're pink. I also don't have. So pretty much, honestly, literally majority of this stuff is trash. It's literally just in my way, but I'm gonna go get me a trash bag, and then I'm gonna start working on that rack and putting stuff in there that needs to go in there and stuff like that.
Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up ruthless. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with you.
So this is how the inside looks now. Everything's all organized, period. All I really need to do now is clean the top, make everything look pretty again. And the only thing I really need to go through is this, because I guaranteed if I go through it, it's probably just like a whole bunch of containers I have that just really need to be thrown out. Okay guys, so I'm about to wash all of my clippers and stuff like that and set them to the side, but I'm gonna like make sure I fully dry them so they don't like rust up and stuff. I'm gonna try to fully dry them.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay bad, let's keep it a beam.
Okay guys, so I have all of my clean implements, all of my clean cutting stuff. So I just need to pretty much finish organizing everything and making it look good. So these have been sitting for about an hour, so I'm pretty sure that these are like all clean and ready for me to put up now. And I organized hold up, let me show you. I organized this rack when I was on the floor cleaning the inside of this part out, which I'm so in love. I'm so happy I finally cleaned it out so I can actually like find my stuff. I have to clean these two because my other two, well, this one and my other one is clean, so I have to clean these. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean that. Okay guys, so when it comes to these, and this is legit, it's not really coming up. Alright, so you want to put them down on a flat surface, y'all, and then you want to take some acetone and you literally just want to like put it on top. That's why I said it's good to do it on a flat surface. And you should instantly start seeing like the gel polishes dissolve a little bit, but I just like to leave this on for about like a minute in it, just like this. It's okay if it's not clean like the first wipes, but yeah, you at least want to like try to at least like clean the first layer as good as you can. So I'm taking the other one because it kind of did good as far as, see, so this side is clean. Now I'm gonna clean the other side. So I'm gonna wipe this side down. Still hasn't really came up yet. If it's just still not coming up, it's probably also because it already cured. And if that's the case, then put some acetone on it, and then you need to scrape it off, and it should come off really easily if you had let it sit. Okay, so the other side of this is actually clean, so we're gonna stick to the same side because it's not as clean as I want it to be. And we're just gonna put some more acetone on that. Let me check on this one and just use the scraping method. Okay guys, so this is how both of them look now. They literally look brand new. And then these are my other two that I have. So I have 4 total, and they're all clean. They literally look like coasters, y'all. That's actually kind of the cute part about these. Get this nice and clean.
Don't be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, bitch is not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's.
Okay guys, so I just had to cut in. So this is what I had like all my stuff in, and it was literally like overfilling. I just find it better to have my stuff out, as far as like putting stuff on nails out, instead of just having it in my drawers and having people just like walk over to my drawer, and I'm just able to like take the whole thing out pretty much, and it's just easier to like find my stuff. But I had this one in my storage closet that I use just to organize stuff in there. So I think I'm just gonna put this one in there, which it's way more smaller, it's just deeper, but they're somewhat kind of the same length, and this one is just way more wider.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
area is clean. See the inside. Okay. Period. And the only thing I really have to do is take out my trash, but everything is nice and clean and organized. Period. I'm so happy I did that. There were so many nail accessories that I honestly really needed to throw away. Also, tonight I'm gonna be updating my policies and stuff like that, because now your girl take card. So I'm so happy I have that, because you know, now I can take card payments. But yeah, so that's pretty much the video. Let me show you guys over here. This is my little, yeah, but before I did nails over there, but I knew that I wanted to move over here so people would be closer to the TV. But yeah, so I'm literally in love with my setup. I think it's perfect, and I really need to vacuum. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You saw me organize and cleaning. I literally threw out like old stuff that I was probably using from like the beginning of my nail journey. But yeah, bye.